In this example, we're going to look at reflection across the y-axis. In this example, we're going to see that we're going to be reflecting the parent function across this y-axis. And we could add in individual points, so we could reflect these individual points. So we have 4, 2. And what we're doing here is we're directly multiplying the x variable by -1 times -1. So if we take our x variable here and we multiply that by -1, we end up with -4, 2. Notice the y variable stayed the same. So a reflection across the y-axis takes an ordered pair x, y and transforms that into negative x, y. So let's now graph -4, 2. So you always begin from the origin, go to the left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go up 2. The reflected graph would have a point here. Now we could do the same thing for 0, but we don't need to because 0 times -1 would give you 0, 0. We could transform this point here, 1, 1. If we multiplied the x variable by -1, we'd end up with -1, 1. So we have -1, 1, and if we sketched in this transformed function, we'll see that it got reflected across the y-axis, and we had to change the value of the x variable for each of the points in the parent function.